Today I want to show you that we can replace metal parts with additive manufactured printed parts with our FDM technology. What we see here is the frame of this Onewheel printed in our nylon 12 CF. This is a polyamide with 35% carbon fibers inside, and because of that it has the same E-modulus than aluminium. Compared to the original metal part, it's way lighter. We can see that on the scale here. The original metal part has 444 grams, and compared to that, the printed part in polyamide has 278 grams, which is more than 40% lighter than the metal part with the same stiffness as the metal part.